Do you need to know how to replace any of the bulbs in the rear light cluster of your VW Polo 9N? Come with me, let me show you how. On the inside of the boot, behind the light unit, there's a little flap in the side boot trim which you can pull back. If it's never been pulled back before, it may still be connected here. You can just pull the whole trim out. But just inside this hole here, by this cutout in the trim, there's a captive nut which you can undo with your fingers. Take it off all the way. With your little trim tool, push it underneath the light and lift the light at this end and simply withdraw it straight backwards. Squeeze together these two little legs of the connector. Undo and release 4 clips to withdraw the bulb holder. All of the bulbs in the bulb holder are simple bayonets, so push down, twist slightly anti-clockwise, lift out. Going clockwise, you've got a P21/5W there, twin filament bulb, 5 watt and 21 watt. That's the lower tail light and brake light. The VR5W, 5 watt upper tail light. A P21W reverse light, P21W fog light, and an orange P21 for the indicator. Just push the bulb holder into position, making sure that all of the clips go home. Don't forget to clip in the harness first. It will only go one way. Place the light in square and then down, and connect the captive nut with the screw shaft on the light. Screw it down until it's hand tight. I hope you found that video useful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up please. Don't forget, subscribe and leave any comments down in the comments section.